hindi na rin po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Alam ko na muling sinusubok ang tibay at tatag ng loob ng ating kasunduluhan sa pagkakapaslang ng ating mga kawal sa Mindanao. Masakit po para sa atin na nangyari at inuudyokan tayo ng puot na gumanti. Hindi pwede sa atin ang bara-barang pagpapasya. Hindi po ubra ang tinuturong solusyon ng mga utak pulbura. Lalo pat mulat tayong maraming iaatid na pasakit ang pagpasok sa sitwasyong magpatuloy lang sa dekada ng kaliwat kanang putukan at alitan.
Yes, we will seek justice against those who commit atrocities through appropriate, calibrated, and focused response without necessarily jeopardizing the peace process and within the bounds of human rights, international humanitarian law, and rule of law. We know that we cannot win the peace if we do not have the necessary capability. We shall seek to continuously empower and develop the Philippine Army through the Army Transformation Roadmap, which highlights our commitment to pursue genuine transformation found on good governance. Together, let us win the peace. We will win the peace. We owe it to those who came before us. We owe it to ourselves, and we owe it to our people.